log x plus y by 3 equals 1 by 2 log x plus log y. Then the value of x by y plus y by x. See, here it is given log x plus y by 3 equals 1 by 2 log x plus log y. This 2, if I'll cross multiply or if I'll transpose here, 2 log x plus y by 3 equals log x plus log y. See, here I'll use logarithm of power, that is log a to the power of m to the base x equals m log a to the base x, and here logarithm of product log ab to the base x equals log a to the base x plus log b to the base x. So if I apply this formula here, m log a to the base x I can write as log a power m. So here I'll write log x plus y by 3 whole square, and here log x y. I'll apply log a to the base x plus log b to the base x is nothing but log ab to the base x. Now on comparing, okay, see, because we don't have, I need to find x by y plus y by x. In this I don't have the logarithm, so I'll compare these two values. So I'll get like x plus y by 3 whole square equals x y. Now if I'll expand this, a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square, so x square plus 2ab plus y square by 9 equals xy. So next step, x square plus 2xy plus y square, if I'll cross multiply 9xy. So x square plus y square, 9xy minus 2xy. So 9x x square plus y square is 7xy. Now we need to find x by y plus y by x. This xy you can bring here like x square plus y square by xy equals 7. And if we'll split these terms like x square by xy plus y square by xy equals 7. One x and x cancel, one y and 1. So here what is left? X by y, here y by x, and the answer is 7. So the correct option is 3. Log 2 to the base 10 is 0.3010. Then the number of digits in 4 power 2017. So 4 power 2017, apply log for that, like log 4 power 2017 logarithm 4 you can write as 2 square whole power 2017 log 2 power 2 into 2017 is 4034. 17 times 2 is 34. So if I apply logarithm of power formula, log a to the power of m to the base x is m log a to the base x. Here when they will not give the base, you can take the standard one, that is 10. Okay, now if here in place of m I have 4034. So 4034 log 2 to the base 10. Log 2 to the base 10. Now log 2 to the base 10 value is given. So 4034 into 0.3010. See, if you multiply this value, you are getting like 4034 into 0.3010. If you multiply, you will get 1214.234. Okay, so if you multiply this, you are getting like 1214.234. Here this integral part is called characteristic. Integral part is called characteristic. Decimal part is called mantissa. So for this characteristic value, if you add 1, you will get number of digits. So characteristic will denote with n. So number of digits if we'll characteristic, if I denote with n, number of digits is characteristic value plus 1. So here characteristic value is 1214, okay, plus 1. If I'll do, I'll get number of digits as 1215. 1215 is the number of digits in 4 power 2017. So first find the, with the help of logarithm, find the value. You'll get decimal part and integral part. 1214 integral part. Further, if you'll add 1, we'll get number of digits. So the number of digits in 4 power 2017 is 1215. The correct option is 3. If a equals b square, that equals c cube, then the value of like log ab to the base c. See here, log ab to the base c. See, base is c, so try to change a and b also in terms of c. It's very clear. Like, see, a equals, you can write c cube, and b square equals c cube. So a value is c cube. So in place of a, if I'll replace with like c cube to the base c, to b. Here b square is c cube, so b value will be c cube whole power 1 by 2 or root. So it is 1 by 2. So b value you can write as c power 3 by 2. Square, if you go to the other side, root is nothing but whole power 1 by 2. So 3 into 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. Now here bases are same. So c power 3 plus 3 by 2 to the base c. 3 plus 3 by 2 is 9 by 2. 3 plus 3 by 2. LCM is 2. Here 6. Here 3. 6 plus 3, 9 by 2. So c power 9 by 2 to the base c. Now here logarithm of power, if you apply logarithm of power, that is log a power m to the base x equals m log a to the base x. So here also if you apply that formula, like see, you will get 9 by 2 log c to the base c. See, logarithm of a number to the same base value is 1. So log c to the base c is 1. So 9 by 2 into 1, that is nothing but 9 by 2. So the correct option is 1. If a square plus b square equals c square, then log c minus b to the base a plus log c plus b to the base a. So they gave a square plus b square equals c square, and they're asking us to find the value of log c minus b to the base a plus log c plus b to the base a. So both like logarithm of product, if we'll apply log a to the base x plus log b to the base x, I can write as log ab to the base x. So here log c minus b into c plus b. The plus is there, so log a plus log b is log a into b to the base a. Now a plus b into a minus b. So identity for a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So here I'll write c minus b into c plus b is c square minus b square equals a to the base a. Sorry. Now they gave a square plus b square is c square. So what is c square minus b square? So a square equals c square minus b square. So c square minus b square value here I'll write as a square to the base a. Again I'll apply logarithm of power, log a to the power of m to the base x equals m log a to the base x. So here 2 log a to the base a, 2 into 1, that is nothing but 2 into 1 is 2. So the answer is 2. So the correct option is 4. Correct option is 4. If the radii of two concentric circles, now see here two concentric circles, if you take two concentric circles, concentric circles is nothing but circles with the same center. Circles with the same center. So one radius is like, okay, 12 and the other one is 13. Then the length of the chord, we need to find the length of a chord. We need to find AB. Okay. So which is tangent? AB is a chord for the big circle, and which is tangent to the other circle, means it will be tangent to the small circle only, because you cannot take it the tangent for the big circle, because if you take the tangent for a big circle, then it will not become a chord for any of the circle. So that's why chord for a big circle, tangent for a smaller circle. Now this radius is smaller, so we will take here 12. This is more radius, so we will take it as 13. So this is radius and this is tangent. So angle between radius and tangent is 90 degrees. That's a property. Angle between radius and tangent is 90. Now I need to find AB, but I know that a line drawn from the center to the chord bisects the chord. So I need to find AB. So what I'll do, first I'll find AP. If I'll find AP, PB also will be same. So I'll double AP, I'll get AB. So how to find APX? So see, it is a right angle triangle. So triangle APO. In triangle APO, if I'll apply Pythagoras theorem, AO square equals AP square plus OP square. 13 square is X square plus OP is like 12 square. 13 square 169, X square plus 144. 169 minus 144 equals X square. So 25 equals X square. So X equals root 25. X equals 5. See, if X is 5, then AB is 2X. So 2 into 5, that is 10 centimeters. So the correct option is 1. X equals A sec theta cos phi. X equals A sec theta cos phi. And Y equals B sec theta sin phi. Now we need to find X square by A square plus Y square by B square. What is the answer? So here Z is C tan C. Okay. Now see here. X by A. What is the value of X by A? Sec theta cos phi. And Y by B is sec theta sin phi. First find this value and see, let us see. So X square, squaring on both sides, X square by A square equals secant square theta and cos square phi. Y square by B square equals secant square theta sin square phi. Now we need to add these two values. So if I'll add here, like say X square by A square plus Y square by B square equals secant square theta cos square phi plus secant square theta sin square phi. Now if I'll take like secant square theta here, common, secant square theta if I'll take common, you'll be left with like cos square phi plus sin square phi. Cos square phi plus sin square phi, its value is 1. So here I got like secant square theta, that's it, because it is 1. So X square by A square, okay, X square by A square plus Y square by B square is secant square theta. So I'll write here X square by A square plus Y square by B square is secant square theta. Now see identity, we have, they gave Z equals C tan theta. So if I write here Z equals C tan theta, so Z by C equals tan theta. See, when they gave this one, and answer is not the secant square theta, so secant square theta I want to change in terms of tan. Now see how I'll do that. See, secant square theta minus tan square theta equals 1. So what is secant square theta from here? Secant square theta is 1 plus tan square theta. So X square by A square plus Y square by B square equals secant square theta is nothing but 1 plus tan square theta. So 1 plus tan theta is Z by C whole square. So 1 plus Z square or Z square by C square. So the correct option for X square by A square plus Y square by B square is 1 plus Z square by C square. The correct option is 4. If 7 sin square theta plus 3 cos square theta equals 4. Then the value of tan theta. So here sine square cos square. So change any one ratio, like so sine square you can write in terms of cos, or cos square you can write in terms of sine. So I'll change like 7 sine square theta plus this one 3 cos square theta I'll write as 1 minus sine square theta equals 4, because we have an identity, that is sine square theta plus cos square theta equals 1. So cos square theta I can write as 1 minus sine square theta. So multiply this like 7 sine square theta, 3 times 1 is 3, minus 3 sine square theta equals 4. Now see, 7 sine square theta minus 3 sine square theta is like 4 sine square theta equals 4. If I'll transpose this 3, minus 3. So 4 sine square theta equals 1. Sine square theta equals 1 by 4. Sine square theta is 1 by 4. So what is sine theta value? Sine theta is under root 1 by 4. So sine theta is 1 by 2. So we need to find tan theta. There are two methods, like you can use Pythagoras theorem and get the tan theta, or otherwise sine theta, in sine you'll get this 1 by 2 for 30 degrees, sine 30. So on comparing, theta equals 30 degrees. You need to find tan theta. So tan 30 value in the tabular form you will get like 1 by root 3. So the correct option is 2. Or otherwise you can use this in another way. You can use Pythagoras theorem. A, B, C. So sine theta is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. So this is 1, this is 2. So tan theta is opposite by adjacent. So we need to find adjacent. So AC square equals AB square plus BC square. So 2 square, AB is 1 square plus BC square. 4 minus 1 equals BC square. Root 3 equals BC, because square if will come here, root 3. So now you can find tan theta by using the ratio. Tan theta is opposite by adjacent. Opposite is 1. For theta opposite is 1, adjacent is root 3. So tan theta value is 1 by root 3. If sin theta plus sin square theta is 1, so sin theta plus sin square theta is 1, then we need to find the value of cos square theta plus cos power 4 theta. Now see here, sin theta you can write as 1 minus sin square theta. So you know the identity that like sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Okay, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So what is 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. Cos square theta. So this step you can write as cos square theta plus cos power 4 I can write as cos square theta whole square. Cos square theta is sin theta. Cos square whole square. Cos square is sin theta and whole square, so sin square theta. See, you got sin theta plus sin square theta, but sin theta plus sin square theta is 1. So you got the answer for cos square plus cos power 4 theta is 1. So the correct option is 2. If the centroid of the triangle with vertices, now see the three vertices are like A comma B, B comma C, C comma A. Centroid formula is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Now here centroid is like 0 0 given. This is x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Now if we'll do this one, A plus B plus C by 3, and here also if we'll solve it this one, B, y1 is B plus C plus A by 3. Now if I'll equate abscissa with abscissa, or ordinate with ordinate, I'll get like a plus b plus c by 3 equals 0. So a plus b plus c, 3 into 0 is 0. See, if a plus b plus c is 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube value is 3abc. If a plus b plus c is 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is 3abc. So the correct option is 4. This proof we have in class 9, but I'll explain now. See, if a plus b plus c is 0, so a plus b you can write as equal to minus c. Then do cubing on both sides. It's like identity you can use, but I'm just proving like that. So a plus b whole cube is minus c whole cube. A plus b whole cube formula is like a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b equals minus c cube. See, what is the value of a plus b minus c? So in place of a plus b, I'll write minus c. So a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into minus c equals minus c cube. So a cube plus b cube minus 3abc, plus into minus, minus 3abc equals minus c cube. So a cube plus b cube minus c cube, bring here plus c cube, minus 3abc, if you transpose, you'll get plus 3abc. So I told a cube plus b cube plus c cube is 3abc. Correct option is 4. If p comma q, these 3 points are like collinear. So here I'll consider like if the points are collinear. If the points are collinear means they lie on the same straight line. So if they lie on the same straight line, it will be a straight line. So the area will be 0. Area will be 0. So area equals 0. Area formula is like half modulus half mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So in this formula, just area equals 0. Just substitute the values. Half mod x1 is p. Okay, x1 is p and y2 is n minus y3 that is minus q minus of minus plus n, x2 is m, y3 is q minus n minus y1 is again q plus x3 is p minus m, y1 is q minus y2 is n equals 0. Now here half, if we'll multiply pn minus pq plus pn plus mq minus mn minus mq plus, if we'll multiply again these terms like pq minus pn minus mq minus into minus plus mn equals 0. Now you can cancel here only qq, but mq pn minus pq plus pq minus mn plus mn. So you're left with like half mod, left here with pn minus mq. So here this 2, if you'll cross multiply, you'll be left with like pn minus mq equals 0. So modulus also, if you'll take out pn minus mq equals 0, pn equals mq is the answer, but we don't have this in the option. Now see, cross multiply some terms like m, bring here p by m, q by n. So here is the correct option. P by m equals q by n. So the correct option is 2.